Today I made a drink called Bluebird. I put peach syrup. It's super sweet and yummy. Then I mix it with blue tea. It's really blue like magic. And I added soda water so it's fizzy. I also put chia seeds because they look like tiny frog eggs. Then I put a pretty blue flower on top. It looks so cool and it tastes yummy. You should try it. And you know what? I had so much fun making it. I like pouring the peach syrup first because it smells like candy. Then when I put the butterfly PT, it's like I'm doing a science experiment. Boom! Everything turns blue. It's like magic water. When I add the soda water, it goes fizz and makes little bubbles everywhere. That's my favorite part. Then I watch the chia seeds dance up and down like tiny jelly balls. Making drinks feels like playing, but you can drink it after. Yum!